folks, my name is Ricardo. I'm here once again at First Choice Tires. I'm gonna today show you guys what the 19-inch wheels niche we did to this beautiful Toyota Camry. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So again, check us, follow us right there, like our page there, and follow us. So we're gonna post a lot of videos regarding the wheels that we changed for a customer. 2018 Toyota Camry, niche wheels, inverts. It's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful tires. It's beautiful wheel. And these wheels are directional as well. So done by us at First Choice Tires. We have 3 locations: Revere, near Boston, Belleville, Massachusetts, or Nashua, New Hampshire. Alright guys, thank you, and don't forget to follow us, give us a like, and again, if you need tires and wheels, come to First Choice Tires.